We really love what we make. We really put our passion, ambition, everything, our knowledge in our products. And when that car is finishing at first place, that's the best feeling ever.
K-M-P is a Dutch company passionate about developing and manufacturing parts for the racing industry.
Everything between the engine and the wheels, gearbox, drive shafts, differentials, paddle shift systems. We are really specialized in drivetrain.
Because it's always custom made, we must have the ability to react and respond very quickly. When they finish the race on Sunday and they have something broken, they want to race 1 week later. The time frame is very, very tight.
You need to come up with a solution, make it, test it, validate it, and put it in a race car. Everybody who is working at K-M-P is really dedicated. They really want to go for the best design as possible. So if we need to design a pedal shift system, it needs to be the best pedal shift system.
Because we have to respond very quickly to our customer, we have to be able to design and produce in-house.
K-M-P is an innovative company. We are always seeking the newest technologies to get our products at the highest level as possible.
What is very nice about Fusion 360 is the all-in-one software.
That means we have the design function, the sculpt function. We can do a strength analysis. We use rendering for marketing purposes. Before we had all different kind of software packages. Right now everything is integrated in the same software and it's so easy to use.
The software gives us what we call collaboration to the next level.
We use Fusion 360 a lot to collaborate with the customer. With a live review, we were able to get the best design he wants. The best part about it is that the customer is involved. So when he gets the steering wheel, he's got the feeling that it's a piece of him. Fusion 360 is not only giving benefits to the customer, but also for the company K-M-P and our communication internally.
The racing industry is a 24/7 industry. I cannot always talk to my engineers, but I can always access the files.
When it's cloud-based, everybody's always using the latest model.
You can access your files everywhere. You can work wherever you are, whenever you want. It reduces the time to market about 60%. A good engineer in the racing industry, he has to live, breathe the part.
Always be innovative, come up with new ideas, make sure it will work, and be the first one in the line. That's why I'm in motorsports.